Invega sustena seems to mess with your vision, your thyroid, your heart rate, your general cognition, your memory. It shuts off. In my brain, it shuts off dreams. It turns my dreams off in my subconscious. I don't dream. I used to have nightmares. Now I don't dream on Invega sustena. It messes with. It causes obesity. It messes with your thirst and your hunger. It makes you want to eat excessively. It makes you want to drink a lot of fluids. But I'm also a smoker, and I don't do drugs, and I have celiac disease and a spinal disorder from because of celiac disease, which I have spondylitis and degenerative disc disease, arthritis, and generally a skin condition because celiac disease causes blood infections because of leaky gut syndrome, and I was. It's also the reason for my crooked teeth, um, but celiac disease is a disorder that's can be deadly. Um, it's allergic to gluten, and it causes holes in the intestines and lets things leak into your body, and you get really sick from it. So you can't eat bread or drink beer and stuff like that. But like Invega Sustenna was a fictitious diagnosis of schizophrenia for me because I didn't realize I had celiac disease for a long number of years. And I finally figured it out through a process of elimination and understanding and studying medicine and science and quantum physics and quantum chemistry and quantum biology for about 15 to 20 years. And everything that I've been through, I even understand engineering, medical imaging, quantum x-rays, the ether, the atomic field, general quantum geometry. I have an IQ of like 120, 130, something like that. And I'm pretty intelligent, and I know how to do mathematics. I can calculate. I can draw up things. I can design things. I've even engineered several things and worked on several science experiments. So, like in general, I study a lot of medicine. A lot of medicine is fake information. It doesn't show evidence to support what's really out there, what's truly being claimed as evident. It's fictitious information in a lot of your science books, and or otherwise it's partial and it's not inclusive of what really matters, the meat and potatoes of your needed necessary science. So like there's a lot to do in science right now, and a lot of it is chemical sequencing of the chemicals and cells of the human body and energy too. So like it's all particle physics and basically subatomic and atomic. So generally, this Invega Sustenna can cause blindness. It messes with your eyes really bad. It messes with all parts of your sensory, like your whole sensory cognition, slows down your thinking abilities, your memory. It's basically a retarding agent, and it does not just have one receptor. As a matter of fact, it bonds, according to chemistry, even with multiple things in your body. It can cause multiple effects. It just goes all over. Okay, it spreads out, and basically what that means is it just retards the crap out of you. It makes you stupid, and it makes you fat. Messes with your eyes. It causes heart palpitations, retardative dyskinesia, or tardive dyskinesia. It causes like anxiety. there's a lot that Invega sustenna does that makes it not worth taking. It's not even, I wasn't even accurately diagnosed because of a childhood trauma series of events in my life. And plus, I had celiac disease and I didn't understand it. I've been diagnosed with 7 different diseases, and none of them were really accurate until I finally figured out on my own through word of mouth and study and understanding my own body that I have celiac disease through a process of elimination. When I eat bread, I get extremely inflamed. I start itching everywhere. I get boils on my skin. I start breaking out in hives. When I drink beer, it does the same thing. Okay? And I know for a fact I'm allergic to gluten. It's 100% fact I have celiac disease, and it caused degeneration all over my body, and it caused sores and what looked like lymphoma cancer and all kinds of stuff. It caused hyperactive white cells. It did all sorts of stuff. I ate bread for years since I was a little boy. And it may be even the reason for my crooked teeth, because what happened is through the preteen years, I was eating bread, and it may have caused a mutation in the top of my mouth and actually caused my top teeth to actually mutate in their tissues. So, and also I'm allergic to tap water because tap water is disgusting. It is nasty. It's not good. It's not legal. And I'm also allergic to it, so I can't actually bathe in a shower. I have to have filtered water through osmosis. And there's lots that I went through in my life. I've seen so much trauma.